Long runs demand comfort, hydration, and zero bounce. The best running vest for marathon training keeps essentials secure without slowing you down. From breathable fit to storage, this guide helps you choose the perfect vest to go the distance with confidence. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now let's get started. Number 1. Nathan Running Vest for Marathon Training. The Nathan Running Vest for Marathon Training is engineered for runners who demand lightweight performance, comfort, and stability over long distances. Weighing just 4.4 ounces without the flask, this ultra-lightweight vest delivers a barely-there feel, allowing runners to focus entirely on their pace without distraction. Its breathable power mesh fabric ensures constant airflow, keeping you cool whether you're running on city streets or rugged trails. One of the standout features is its bounce-free fit, achieved through front sternum and side adjustment straps, which hold your essentials securely in place. This means that no matter how intense the workout, the vest stays snug and stable, eliminating unnecessary movement that can distract from performance. Hydration is seamless, thanks to the integrated 14-ounce Nathan X Hydropack soft flask, while additional pockets accommodate bottles up to 20 ounces. This ensures that runners can stay refreshed on long training sessions without breaking stride. For storage, the vest offers a 1.5L back pocket with a right entry zipper closure, perfect for stashing jackets, snacks, or personal items safely. Its design is optimized for both men and women, with power stretch mesh for enhanced mobility and comfort, allowing a tailored, secure fit. Whether used for road running, trail sessions, or marathon training, the Nathan vest adapts to your body, keeping your essentials close at hand and your movements unhindered. Lightweight, practical, and meticulously designed, it's a must-have for serious runners who value performance, comfort, and convenience over every mile. Number 2. Build and Fitness Running Vest for Marathon Training. The Build and Fitness Running Vest for Marathon Training is a versatile and feature-packed option designed to enhance endurance training while keeping runners comfortable and organized. Engineered with lightweight, breathable materials, this vest ensures minimal bounce and maximum comfort during long-distance runs. The ventilated foam inner lining promotes airflow, while quick-dry and weather-resistant fabrics allow the vest to perform in varying conditions. The Build and Fitness vest provides a complete hydration solution, including 2 500-milliliter soft flasks that sit perfectly in front-facing pockets, allowing runners to sip on the move without interrupting their stride. Storage is a highlight, with 7 strategically placed pockets, including 2 zipper phone holders that accommodate devices up to 6.9 inches, lower stash compartments for nutrition, a hidden lip balm pocket, and a rear kangaroo zipper pocket with reflective bungees for secure storage of lightweight clothing or essentials. Designed with a precision fit, the vest features adjustable YKK front clips on glide rails and side strap adjusters, ensuring a snug, customized fit that eliminates bounce while maintaining comfort. Soft foam inner padding enhances wearability during extended sessions, while the low-profile silhouette allows for unrestricted movement. Safety and visibility are also prioritized, with subtle reflective details on branding, cords, and zip pullers, making it ideal for early morning or evening runs. Its understated, sleek design appeals to runners who value both aesthetics and performance. Suitable for city runs, trail training, and marathon preparation, the Build and Fitness Running Vest ensures optimal hydration, secure storage, and reliable comfort, making it an excellent companion for athletes of all levels looking to maximize their performance. Number 3. SWIFTVEST Running Vest for Marathon Training. The SWIFTVEST Running Vest for Marathon Training is crafted for runners seeking a balance of lightweight design, secure storage, and weather readiness. Featuring 6 convenient pockets, it allows easy access to essentials like phones, keys, gels, and hydration without disrupting pace. A front waterproof zippered phone pocket fits major smartphones up to 18 centimeters x 10 centimeters, keeping devices secure even during intense training. Built to handle all weather conditions, the vest's water-resistant construction ensures that your items remain protected from rain or sweat, giving runners peace of mind during outdoor runs. Its breathable, quick-dry materials incorporate heat dissipation zones to keep you comfortable for hours, while reflective detailing on both front and back enhances visibility during low-light conditions. Lightweight and chafe-free, the SWIFTVEST offers a snug yet flexible fit, with neoprene padding to minimize bounce and adjustable front and side straps for customized security. Whether running short distances or training for a marathon, the vest moves naturally with your body, maintaining stability and comfort. Each vest comes with a 500 milliliter soft flask that compresses as you drink, ideal for hydration on the go. Available in 3 sizes, XSS, ML, and LXL, the SWIFTVEST accommodates runners of all shapes and sizes, making it a unisex solution for training needs. The combination of practicality, durability, and thoughtful design makes it a reliable choice for serious runners. With its protective pockets, hydration capacity, breathable fit, and reflective safety features, this vest ensures that long-distance training is convenient, comfortable, and effective, helping athletes stay fueled-focused and secure during every run. Number 4. Walroysu Running Vest for Marathon Training. The Walroysu Running Vest for Marathon Training is designed to combine hydration efficiency, ultra-lightweight comfort, and safety features for serious runners. Weighing just 7.5 ounces, the vest feels like a second skin, offering unrestricted movement while maintaining excellent airflow and breathability through full-body mesh panels. It features an all-in-one hydration system, including a 500 milliliters BPA-free soft bottle with a hands-free bite valve, allowing runners to drink without breaking stride. An adjustable drawstring ensures the bottle stays secure and eliminates bounce, keeping focus on pace and performance. The elasticated crisscross design adapts to various chest sizes, SL, providing a comfortable, locked-in fit without chafing. Storage is generous, with 6 strategically placed pockets and a front-facing waterproof touch-sensitive phone pocket that allows interaction with the device without removing it. The large 10L capacity accommodates keys, gels, and other essentials, making it ideal for marathon training, trail running, or casual jogs. Reflective detailing across the front and back enhances nighttime visibility, prioritizing safety for early morning or evening sessions. Lightweight yet sturdy, breathable yet structured, and highly adjustable, the Walroysu vest ensures that hydration and essentials are never a compromise. Number 5. Zetrava Running Vest for Marathon Training. The Zetrava Running Vest for Marathon Training is a premium hydration solution that prioritizes comfort, secure storage, and performance for both men and women. Constructed from breathable neoprene, it offers a lightweight, chafe-free design that moves with the body, ensuring a stable, bounce-free fit even during intense sessions. Hydration is seamless with 2 500 milliliters leak-proof bottles, evenly distributing weight and allowing runners to stay fully refreshed without interruption. For connectivity, a left side opening zipper pocket securely fits smartphones up to 6.9 inches, providing quick access without breaking stride. Essential items like energy bars, keys, or coins can be safely stored in the right side mini pocket or upper zipper pocket with a hidden key holder, making organization effortless. A large mesh back pocket accommodates towels, snacks, or other necessities, ensuring all items remain secure yet easily reachable. Reflective panels on the shoulders and back enhance safety during early morning or nighttime runs, giving runners confidence in low-light conditions. The adjustable design allows a customized fit for different body types, maintaining comfort and stability over long distances. Ideal for marathon training, trail runs, or daily fitness sessions, the Zetrava vest blends functionality with practicality, supporting hydration, storage, and visibility in one package. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.